So I have decided to build yet another computer. But why, Rasimio? Why would you want to build another computer? Don't you have enough of those? Well, technically, my reasoning is because I do have spare parts just laying around, so I might as well put them together and build something for when somebody comes to the house, maybe they want to play on it, or maybe my wife eventually plays PC games. But not only that, recently I did a review for the Panorama XL from Empower PC, and I really liked the look. So much so that I wanted to get my own case and actually build my own. But there's a catch. This is actually not a Panorama XL. I wanted to try their micro version of the Panorama so I can show it to you so you can see what it looks like. So this is actually the Panorama Ruix. So to give you an idea of the size difference, this is actually a Panorama XL from Empowered PC that I've decided to paint white because I love the two-tone white and black that I have done on this. So petition for Empowered PC to make a white version of their case. That would be super cool, right, if we can get that passed. But here is the Panorama Ruix next to the Panorama XL. So as you can see, this one is a tad bit smaller than this one, but I still get the panorama look that I want in a smaller, compact version. But I didn't just get the case. I also was able to acquire the Dawn Pro fans that Empowered PC uses on their cases. So since I have the Panorama Ruix and I have the Dawn Pro fans that Empowered PC uses, I am super excited. We're gonna put these together and then we're gonna admire it and be like, whoa. So what are we actually gonna use for this thing? Well, I'm gonna look in this wall back here and just kind of just start picking things. One of these graphics cards is gonna be used for the system. I don't know which one it is. How about this one? We'll pick this one. Yeah, why? I don't know. Colorful. Let's do that. As for the motherboard, well, let's see. We have that one, so we're gonna use that one. So for this build, we actually chose the i9-14900KF. What is the reasoning behind it? Honestly, it's because I kind of just had one laying around, but yeah, I mean, it's a good processor. Might as well use it, right? As for RAM, we are going to be using 64 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance 6000 Mega Transfer sticks of RAM, yes. And they're going to be super glorious with the RGB tops. For the storage, we'll be using the Sabrent 2 terabyte drive. The reason why I'm using this is because it was free. There is actually a slight little bit of damage right there on the tip, if you can see that. But the drive completely works. Once inserted into the computer, there's like no issues. So hey, free is free, so we're gonna stick it in there. The fans that we're actually gonna be using are from Asia Horse. They are the Dawn Pro. And these actually are interlocking fans. So as you can see, there are no cables included with this. Well, there is going to be an adapter that hooks up to one of these, but as for connecting together, they literally just slot in together like this. And then there they go. It's just one fan. And then you can do this exact same thing with another one, just like this one. Then you have three. And once you're ready to install it, this is what the adapter looks like. This is just going to slide into one of the ends and like that, and then that's it. So then you have your chain of fans together, which go to just one connector. So let's not waste any more time and get everything installed into this so I can show you what it looks like in the end. All right, let's pause real quick because I made a mistake and I want to know if any of you caught it. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys actually caught this and be honest. So I went out and picked the parts from the back there and I chose a motherboard. This motherboard is a full ATX motherboard. This is a micro ATX case. So micro ATX only or ITX. This is not going to fit in there. So I have to get another motherboard. And luckily for me, a thing called Amazon Prime exists because I will not be able to use this in here. You would think I would, but no, it does not fit. So I have decided to purchase another board. And I was not gonna purchase any boards because I had this laying around, but I decided to have some fun with it. So we are going to use a B760M from ASRock that it is a Sonic the Hedgehog collab. So we are going to be installing a Sonic the Hedgehog motherboard into this machine and just have fun with it. Which also brings up a very good point. When you're building your custom computer, make sure that all of your parts are compatible and make sure that everything fits in the case because there are micro ATX cases out there that do fit full ATX motherboards. In this particular one, it's only MATX or ITX to fit, but the MATX cases that do fit full ATX motherboards do exist. So always verify. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that video because I definitely enjoyed putting another computer together. Just a little disclaimer, this Panorama Ruix case is actually revision 1, and when you order yours, you're actually gonna get revision 2. What that means is that mine, for example, has one 3.0 port, one USB 2.0 port, one Type-C port, but revision 2 actually has two 3.0 ports and a Type-C port. So yours is an upgrade. If you're wondering what graphics card this is actually the RTX 3080 that we got for 50 bucks in a previous video. And yes, I painted it because I kind of needed to match just a little bit to the computer. Of course, that's a preference. Hopefully you like it. I'm going to leave a few links in the description below. Those are actually affiliate links. If you do purchase something from those links, they do help the channel, they do help me grow, and I can continue bringing you content. So thank you very much. So until the next video, take care of yourself and take care of others. Bye.